Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Previous class I taught proper nouns. Okay, and rules of the proper nouns. How to write proper nouns. How do we find out the proper nouns? Okay, where we use capital letters. Everything I explained in the previous class. Okay, so I gave you sentences as homework. Already solving such. Yeah, okay. So here some of the sentences given. We have to write capital letters wherever necessary. Capital letters, where we write capital letters? If we have a proper noun in the sentence, we have to write capital letters, right? So wherever you find the proper noun, you should use capital letter. Okay? Look at here. Second page. Have you written the first page? Rewrite the following sentences. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters. Capital letters wherever necessary. Wherever necessary. Okay. Now the first sentence. Asha got a prize on the Christmas day. Now tell me, wherever we have to write capital letters in this sentence, now you have to send answers. Okay? Respond in the short box. Wherever we have to write capital letters. Which word we have to write capital letter? Okay. Which word we have to start with capital letter? Just respond. Come on, fast students. Which letter we should write capital? Sana. Okay. First bit not write teacher. I gave as homework that first bit. I think you forgot. I already explained in the previous class what you have to write about. I gave examples. Books means Ramayana, Quran, and Bible, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita. These are the books names. And also I told you newspapers, Sakshi, Inadu, like the newspapers names. And also next national leaders, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Chacha Nehru. These are the names I told you. Next countries names: India, China, Pakistan, America. These are all countries names. I explained in the previous class and I told you to write that at home. So that's why I'm explaining the second bit. In your grammar book, I think you opened worksheet. Sana, just remember that. In the previous class, I explained. Nirma, tell me, I explained or not? I explained in the previous class. Yes, that's why I'm explaining second bit. So what you have to write? I asked you to send the answers. Nobody sent. So what are the proper nouns here? Asha is the name of the person. So this is proper noun. And prize on the Christmas day. Christmas is the name of the festival. Christmas is the name of the festival. So name of the festival, person's names. These are all proper nouns. So all proper nouns start with capital letter. So remaining should be same. Okay, now write here answer. Asha, A capital, A-S-H-A, Asha got a prize on the Christmas day. The Christmas, C capital, Christmas day. Okay, did you understand now? Okay. Very good, Harshad. Next sentence. Peter's dog's name is Brownie. Second, Peter's dog's name is Brownie. So this is the sentence. So what are the proper nouns in this sentence? Can you say what are the, just send me names, not, I'm not asking whole sentence. What letters, what words is starts with capital letter? So what are the proper nouns in this sentence? You should send that it. Okay. Come on, fast, don't take much time. Students, very fast. Okay. Peter, okay. Very good, Sana. Next. One more. We have name of what is not here? I think you don't have signal. So Peter is the name of the person. Brownie is a name, a particular name. So Brownie and Peter, these two are the proper nouns. Now answer, look at here. P, capital P, E, T, E, R, Peter's dog's name is Brownie. Brownie is a particular name of a dog. So they capital. Did you understand? Now next one. The British people ruled India for many years. The British people. Okay. The British people ruled India for many years. For many years. Okay. Now tell me what are the proper nouns in this sentence? No, in this the British people ruled India for many years. Sana, where are you? Anyone? Nirma? Satwik? Pritam. India, okay. One more? India is proper noun. One more proper noun we have in this sentence. The name of the country. Name of the country. British name, name of the people who are living in the country. Okay, now look at your answer. The British people, first letter we should start capital in the sentence. The British, name of the people who are living in the particular country. British people ruled India. India is a particular name of a country. So India is a proper noun. India for many years. Many years. This is all good. Okay? Right. Make it fast. Srisha, I think you don't have signal. Just to search a place where you get the proper signal. I can't do anything here. It is clear, ma. Only Srisha have that problem. All the students have. Right, fast. Make it fast, ma. Don't take much time. It's complete. Respond in the chat box. And this first sentence. Here I place third sentence mark. I mean fourth sentence. I read the Bible daily. Fourth sentence. I read The Bible daily. So now tell me, what are the proper nouns here? Yes, I, pronoun I and Bible. These two are the proper nouns. So we should start with capital letter. Now answer here. I, capital I, read the Bible. B, capital, daily. Is it clear, students? Yeah. Now next one. Right, fast. One time end of session. No need to send 4-5 times. I did not give us homework. Okay. I asked you to just send the reply. Anita went to Hyderabad on Friday. Anita went to Hyderabad. Went to Hyderabad on Friday. So now tell me, what are the proper nouns in this sentence? What are the proper nouns, ma'am? Okay, Anita and Anita is okay. Still we have two proper nouns in this sentence. Come on fast, students. Anita went to Hyderabad on Friday. Come on fast. Friday. One more. One more we have. Anita, okay. Friday is okay. One more. Yes, it is Hyderabad. Okay. Now answer here. Anita, A, capital. Anita went to Hyderabad. H, capital. On Friday. F, capital. Full stop. Okay. Shall I write the third sentence? Okay. Next, sixth sentence. The train New Delhi Express is very late today. The train New Delhi Express is very late today. Is very late today. Okay. So what is this? The train. T, capital. Answer. T, capital. What are the proper nouns in this sentence? Is there any proper noun? What is that? Not today. Okay, I wrote here. Okay. T, we should write capital. Why? Because we should start the sentence with capital letter. But it is not a proper noun. Okay, particular train we are talking, that's right. It will also call. Okay, the New Delhi Express now it is. New Delhi Express is very late today. Very late today. Okay, that is right. Make it fast. Shall I raise ma? Put one. I think. Okay, ma. Make it fast. Students, 7th, 8th and 9th sentence, 9, 10, 4 sentences are there. Those 4 sentences is your homework. Okay. You should write and take a pic, send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay? Did you understand, friends? Tomorrow again I will not explain those 4 sentences. Very good, Harshad. I went to Hyderabad, Mumbai last April. April and Mumbai. Just I'll explain. I went to Mumbai last April. Here, I capital and Hyderabad. Mumbai is the name of the city, so M capital. And April is the name of the month, so A capital. The next sentence. It is very cold in Assam in December. So first it, I capital. Assam. Assam is the name of the state, so A capital. And December is the name of the month, D capital. That's it. The Taj Mahal is built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. So here the Taj Mahal, so particular name. So the T capital, Taj Mahal T capital, M Mahal M capital, and built by the Mughal Emperor, Mughal M capital, Emperor M E capital, and Shah Jahan S capital. Okay. And the next last sentence, Hindus, Muslims and Christians are all children of the same God. So here Hindus, name of the religion. So H capital, Muslims M capital, and Christians C capital. Next, the same God. So G capital. Is it clear, students? Now I'll explain worksheet. Yesterday I explained day 1 and day 2. I asked it for 5th class worksheet, but nobody is giving here. Okay, once open your worksheet, ma. Students, open your worksheet, make it fast. Day 3. Just alphabets are there, ma. Nothing to explain here. So day 1 you have alphabet. You have to write 5 times. Same to same, Roman letters given. Same to same you can write. Day 2 you have cursive writing. Okay, cursive letters given. Those cursive letters also you should write 5 times. Cursive handwriting you should write alphabet 5 times. Okay, and nothing else to explain in that. Yes. Day 3 English you have blanks, ma. Read the following words. Okay. Here some words given. Hunted. Next, wizard, street, compassionate, demon or miracle. So here are some dashes given between these words. What we have to do, write the missing letters, refer one bit. So one bit 1, the words given now. So though here missing letters given. Those clues are, you have no clues? Hunted, wizard, street, compassionate, demon or miracle. So here those words only, but not in order. You should fill these blanks by using these clues. Okay. See here WI dash dash or D. So can you say what are the words? Okay. Upside you have, in the first bit you have that answer. Just to search it. Next, S E D, S dash E dash D. So you have that word here. Okay, in the first bit. Third one, H A dash dash T dash D. You have that word also in the first bit. Search it. Next, fourth, M dash R dash C dash E. Okay, very good, Satri. Next, fifth one, D dash M dash A N dash U dash. So that word also you can find in the first bit. And next, one more task, you have to fill these blanks. Next, one more task you have that. Make a flower vase and flowers with a paper. What is the task given to you? You have to make a flower vase and the flowers. Okay, flower vase and flower with a paper. Not drawing. You should make the flower vase and flowers with a paper. Okay, in the day 3. Day 4, Did you understand what I'm saying? Day 4. Day 4, you have opposite words here. Okay, opposite words given here. Just read these opposite words first. Then you have to fill here. Second bit is homework. First bit, first of all, you read. You learn these opposite words and fill these blanks. Did you understand? These are also opposite words. Here you have to write. Just if you read this, you are able to complete these blanks. Did you understand? And did you complete yesterday's homework? Yes. Send me in the WhatsApp. Okay. Hope you understand today's class. Thank you, ma'am. And complete your worksheet.